Hey everyone! Welcome to this tutorial where we'll learn how to use Excel's COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions to answer some real-life questions about product purchases. Let's get started. Here's the dataset we'll be working with. It includes date of purchase, customer ID and name, product details, quantity purchased, and the price of each product. Today we'll answer 3 key questions from this dataset. We will find out how many times donut was purchased, including specific counts by customer Mike on a specific date using our COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions. Let's begin with the first question. How many times was the product donut purchased? For this we need to use the COUNTIF function. Start typing the command. Excel is asking for the range to apply the criteria. In this case, select the product name column since our product, donut, is present in the product name column. Go ahead and select the range. Our criteria is the word donut. Make sure to enter the criteria in quotation marks as this tells Excel that we're referring to a specific word, and then hit enter. There you have it. The total count of donut purchases is 3. Now let's add one more condition. How many times did Mike buy donut? For this we will need to use COUNTIFs instead of COUNTIF. Go ahead and type in the command. Start by selecting the criteria range, which is the product column just like we did earlier. For the criteria, again enter donut in quotation marks since we're counting how many times donut appears in the product column. Next, for the second criteria range, select the customer name column, as we need to count how many times Mike bought donut. Go ahead and select the range. Finally, type Mike in quotation marks to specify the second condition. Now, close the brackets and hit enter. The result shows that Mike purchased donut 2 times, based on the criteria we applied for both the product and customer columns. Finally, let's answer the third question. How many times did Mike buy donut on February 2nd? Here we'll add one more condition using COUNTIFs. Go ahead and type in the command. As we did earlier, the first criteria range is the product column, so select that. Then type donut in quotation marks as the criteria. Next, choose the second criteria range, which is the customer column. And type Mike in quotation marks to specify this criteria. The third criteria range is the date column, since we need to find Mike's donut purchase on a specific date. So let's select the date range. Next, specify the date, which is February 2nd. Make sure to type the date in the same format as in the dataset, enclosed in quotation marks, and then hit enter to see the results. Let's verify our results by converting the dataset into a table and filtering based on our criteria. Here I'm filtering the product column to show only donut so we can see the details about all the donut purchases. This will help us visually confirm the data we calculated using the functions. Fantastic! We've got it all right. In total, there were 3 donut purchases across all customers, with 2 of those made by Mike. And out of those, Mike bought 2 donuts on February 2nd. That's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions in Excel to analyze your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.